Hey guys, Justin here, or Mr. Fisher Mooser. Welcome back to another video. This video is a bit of a change from what you may be used to seeing on my channel, but I hope you enjoy as I run, shoot, and detonate my way to victory. For today's video, I am playing on my home field, T1 Airsoft in OKC, Oklahoma. On the first weekend of every month, T1 hosts Battlegrounds. Battlegrounds is essentially a mini milsim where two teams are divided into squads that follow the command of their squad leader to complete objectives. For our first objective, our squad is going to follow a creek to sneak behind enemy lines and take them by surprise. Let's see how this goes.
Right. Head on down to there.
As you can see, I've already somehow managed to almost die just trying to get down the hill. Let's hope the rest of the game goes a little bit better than this.
You two, move up.
While sneaking around through Creekside to get behind enemy lines, we somehow see no enemies, but we hear shots being fired up on top of the hill that we're below. So we have to keep an eye out and make sure there's no enemies that are just waiting for us to pass.
I have to get around them. They're right up here.
Enemy spotted.
We're gonna loop around. Do not engage. Alright. Worse? Here. I got you. Hey. Hey.
After engaging the enemy, we got word from our squad leader to not engage and instead move up because we are not yet fully behind enemy lines. So we continue down our path along Creekside to get as far back as we can to flank the enemy from behind. Our team managed to successfully sneak behind enemy lines. The enemy team has no idea we are here, and we managed to get a perfect flank, all while the enemy team thinks they are being shot from their own teammates.
Shots fired, shots fired. Right behind you, watch out.
Yep, reloading.
First, watch our rear. I'm not shooting. Reloaded. Let me tell you where he's pushing in on you, okay?
Okay.
Is that good?
Yep. Okay, everybody, cover fire. I bet you guys are dancing. Bro, I just you got two.
Whoa.
Rick, watch our angle behind you.
They do not like where I'm at.
They got not. I don't either.
I'm thinking about leaving.
Yeah? You want to go the same way Shannon went?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll go one at a time. Oh no,
Hit! Good shot. Right here.
Oh, that's cool. We'll go for it.
Whoa! What on earth? And just do that.
Alright, do you want me to skedaddle next, or do you want to?
Right now I don't quite know where to go. Can't lift our heads up.
If we run behind these pallets, we can
Possibly, but there's a guy right here.
that's what Royce just did.
Okay.
The other guy.
Let me just peek. Up. Whoa. No, thank you. Okay, scratch that plan.
I think we're just kind of stuck. Royce, give us covering fire. Tell us when you're ready. No one uses their comms. I'm just in a predicament. I think they kind of forgot about us.
I think they did. There's at least two people over here straight across I did not get. But they're acting like I'm not here.
He's saying he's not seeing anybody, so I'm gonna sprint it, bro.
Okay, I'll try to cover. Ready? Whoa! Hit! Good shot! Hit!
With our first objective being a success, our next objective was to recover a hostage located somewhere along the map.
Contact on road!
I think we're in bus.
Hit. Hit. Yep. Right here. Oops.
Oh, yeah, there.
Yeah, they're right there. There's a blue guy right here.
Yeah. You got him both? You both dead?
Those are our guys right there?
Yeah, those are enemies up there. Yeah.
No, right here? Okay. Oh, they both did? Okay. Hit. Right here. This guy's right through there. Watch.
I saw him. Oh, he's dead, he's dead.
There's more than one.
No, not there, he's dead.
There's one a little bit further out. Is that guy in Hill's hallway?
Go, go! Green and bus, green and bus.
Green and bus. I'm going up.
No, swing out wide. Watch out, Roy. Swing out wide. Hey. Follow your buddy into the jail cell if you can.
Okay.
They're right there. Go, go.
This next part is really cool because I was able to get some really nice kills using a grenade that I 3D printed. A link to where I found the files for the grenade will be listed in the description below.
It didn't hit me.
So our guys or their guys in the building?
You gotta
The grenade's like right in the doorway.
Is there our guy or their guy? Oh, is it our guy or theirs in here?
Who threw that?
Is it our guys or their guys in here?
It's their guys.
Inside?
Yeah, they've been shooting at us.
Okay, I have a grenade. Well,
Let's see what happens.
are they actually in there?
I think they're right on the other side of this.
Oh, this side of the building? Okay. Grenade. Are they right on the other side? Oh, you're dead.
You can drag him. Kevin, you got a bandage.
I already used mine and I don't have anything else.
What?
They're dead.
They're all. Oh. Cool. You do what? Yeah. Thank you.
What is this thing?
3D print. There. Green in here, green in here.
I see you back there, but I'm not Wi-Fiing you.
Oh dear. Green in hallway, green in hallway. Good job. Hit.
Everybody's dead?
Yep, this is all blue.
Oh, my sling broke.
Oh dear.
We're good.
Wait, are you green?
Yes, I'm green.
I'm green.
Oh, I'm sorry, I got
No,
you.
I'm out. I'm out.
a dead person.
Oh no.
Jaden.
After a spectacular breach done by yours truly, I was killed by one of my own teammates, and then a ref decides to come in and have some fun with everybody. This next part is hilarious.
The dummy's in there. The keys are somewhere in here.
Oh, we have to go find the keys?
Yes,
Got it, okay.
as described in the mission briefing.
Where's the dummy? He's in there.
Who? Have you searched any of the enemy players to see if maybe they have what you are looking for? You might want to do that quickly because you're coming under fire.
Hey, yo, can somebody search him?
Hey, stop banging on my...
Dead. Everyone in here's dead.
Ow.
Yes, yep.
That is
Well,
true.
stay right there. You gotta wait for 2 minutes. Yeah, 2. Hey, green medic in hell!
That's you, Frogger.
Where was that at?
Next to
Came
you.
over the building, like all the way over.
I get my reading.
Someone pistol down? Oh, I did. There it is. My bad.
Who can still get another bandage?
Bandage, you guys.
I can get it.
I'm out of bandages, is there a medic?
You have no cardboard in here.
Helmet.
Oh, you got a helmet. Good check.
James,
You can leave.
give me my grenade.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, if I can
Is
get
there a
medic
green
over
medic?
here. Yeah.
Green medic?
Where's can I get a green player to revive me?
Oh.
I don't even need a medic. Yeah, there we go. With that one.
That had like a 75% chance of not working.
Alright, I need you guys to get outside the building. There's too many people in here.
Find the
You'll
keys.
die from a grenade.
Find the keys. Find the keys. Oh, I wonder where the keys could be.
Are they in the building?
Yes.
Or they can be on any player.
Depicted
On
in the
any of
briefing.
the 10 players,
So now we have to go.
there's 2 10 players. Try something. Search. Maybe use the word search.
Permission to search? Okay. Pretty sure this.
Hey, we can't just have.
I'm dead. Need a medic.
Who's in?
No, I already have all my...
I need you running security outside the building.
Where did you? I know you have it. You bum. You bum.
I've done this the whole time.
How much do you will you allow him
Oh
to there
my
you go.
lord, that is.
That lock. And you
You're all dead.
Where's my
Again.
dead right go? Where's my
I
dead
turned over and stared at it.
Where's
all
my
right.
dead right go?
The real dummy.
I'm not sure if this next guy was cheating or if he was just new to the game. All in all, he did call his hits at the end of this whole exchange, but it was just a little frustrating for a while. Anyway, we all had fun. Let's go ahead and get back to the shooting.
Okay. We can't do anything. Okay, thank you. Reloading. Okay, reloading. On last mag. There's one behind barrels. One behind barrels. I have a grenade. I don't know if it's gonna make it that far, but worth a shot. Yeah. Keep pressure on it because I think there's 3 down there in total. One's a medic. Yep. Okay, ready? Ready? Keep him down. I'm out of ammo in my rifle. I don't have a speed loader on me.
Oh, it's
Yep. I got a pistol. I'm just gonna gun hoe it because I ain't got much else.
Can you keep pressure on that guy? He's not on his head. At that second barrel, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna just go in. You ready? Oh, okay. You ready? Yep. 3, 2, go. Hit, 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 hit. Hit. If you're dead, take your dead rag off. Dead rag. If you're dead, take your dead rag off. Yeah.
So what do you guys think? Are these guys a bunch of trolls and cheaters, or are they just new players? Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I just went ahead and walked back to my respawn instead of waiting for my bleed out, mainly because I completely forgot because I was a little agitated about that squad of guys, but I also had no ammo in my gun, so I was just going to take a little bit of a breather break as well back at respawn. So the roles have reversed, and now our objective is to protect the hostage instead of taking the hostage from enemy players. This led to some really intense firefights in the bus, as well as my gun battery completely dying. This was really epic. Just watch.
Grenade. Straight in front, straight in front. Right out there. Grab me a grenade. I'm gonna throw a grenade on the other side of that building. Ready? Ready? Wait, is there still people behind the building?
I can't tell. No, I think we got him. I see one. I don't see nobody behind the building. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of them behind that building. There's 5.
Grenade! Ah.
What's in spot?
Do you still have your grenade?
Yep.
If you can, see if you can throw it behind there. Just let our guys know. Hold on, right in front of you. Left side, left side, left side, left side. Straight in front, straight in front. Reloading.
Friendly.
Guys, straight on front, straight in front of us, towards dam. And then there's a bunch of guys behind bus.
Yo, get down, get down. Tango's right there. Dude, changing.
Oh no. Oh dear, battery just died. That's unfortunate. That is really unfortunate. Okay, battery just died. Do you have your grenade?
Yep.
Behind, 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 behind. Inside, inside. Do you have your grenade?
Alright, these guys to our left are doing nothing.
Justin. Not good aim.
Watch behind me, watch behind me. Oh, come on. Hit, hit, good shot. Good shot, hit. Your grenade's still right here. I didn't mess with it. It's right there.
Someone revive, someone revive. I got bandage,
I have a bandage. Hit! Hit! Good shot, good shot.
Good job.
He's out, good shot.
Thank you.
Good job.
Good push, good push.
Hey, we got the bus! Get up here!
To end the day, we had a couple of death matches, and this was a really fun last sort of like send-off to the day, where I had this really cool last man standing type thing where I was a one-man blockade and I halted their entire line primarily on my own. It was awesome. A lot of good kills here, so keep watching. I hope you enjoy it.
Gillion Dam. Ready, you still there? I don't think I can get to you. Right there, right there. Hit! Good shot! I'm hit. I can get a tag. If you touch me, I can move over there and you can revive me. Okay. Yep. I don't know how in the world you didn't get hit. And then as soon as you vanished me, look right here behind the buildings that you were just at. So right behind those buildings.
Okay.
Watch it.
Hit. Oh, baby.
You got a bandage?
No.
Okay. Oh my goodness. It didn't go off. Good shot, good shot. I got another one. Oh, you're dead. Medic!
And there you have it. There was not every single moment, but some of the highlights of some really good moments from Battlegrounds. The first Battlegrounds of 2024. It was a blast. Can't wait to go back for more. If you guys haven't been already, if you're in the area, come check out T1 Airsoft at OKC. It's a blast. And like I said, I will leave the files, or not the files, the link to the files for the 3D grenade that I used in this video. If you guys do enjoy this type of content, please let me know in the comment section down below. I plan on making a whole lot more like it, and I also have some editing ideas of how I can improve on the editing of videos like this. This was the first time of me editing a video similar to this, and so just bear with me, guys. It's going to get a lot better. I got some really cool ideas to add and to try to throw into it, but it's going to be a learning process, so just bear with me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.